Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter again out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. At the bottom of this video, you will see a subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button before we go on. In this uh, in this video, I just wanted to show you how I'm advertising Clickbank products. And it's done through the marketing system that I use, which I can create my own capture pages and promote whatever business that I am involved with. So you can do the same thing. I'm just gonna show you the steps to start promoting Click Clickbank's products and getting paid while you promote them. How you can gather leads into your capture page from uh, the conversion pros, which you will create for yourself. Okay, before we get started, we got to take you over to Clickbank to show you that you're gonna need a Clickbank uh, account. Just go over there or go over here and sign up for your Clickbank account. Just hit that sign up button right there, and it will take you over to putting in your information and creating your account. So after you do that, you're going to log in and you're going to go to the marketplace. Let's go over here right quick. We're going to go back to the dashboard. Okay, you're going to go to the dashboard. You're going to go down to the let me see right here. We're going to go down to affiliated marketplace, and it's going to take you over to here, and you're looking for the products that you want to advertise. When you join Clickbank, you're going to be able to make a commission off of selling affiliated products. Over here, you would click on whatever products that you may desire to promote. Just say, for instance, the health and fitness. We're going to go here, and you look down through here and find a product that you want to promote. You're going to have a ID or a username or code or what have you. But once you find the product you want to promote, you just go down here. Just say, for instance, I'm going to promote this product right here. I just click on promote, and then I will put in my nickname, MAR68, and then I will click generate hop link. This is your hop link right here. And what you want to do is click on here to copy it. And so when you do that, and you can gather information, you just, if you want to see how this product is or how it works, just click on view mobile or view the product. It's going to take you to a advertising page, which this is a video here. Stuff your face with lose weight. But anyway, you get the gist of it. It will take you over to looking at what you have just selected to promote. Okay, so you've copied your link. Now you're going to go back to the Conversion Pros. Of course, if you don't have a Conversion Pros account, you can join up for free for 14 days to see how it works. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy using it. So this is the Conversion Pros. At the bottom of this video, you will see my link that would tell you a little bit more about the Conversion Pros. Once you join up with the Conversion Pros, you're going to build your page to market your product in the with the Clickbank. Okay, let's just say I've already created a page. You can create your new page just like this. Go here, just say you want to use this one right here. Use this one, then you can give it a name and just say Clickbank. You give it a title, then you give it a name. Up here, you can say You can put it whatever you want to call your title, and I'm going to say using Clickbank. Okay, and you put a name here, a unique name. Just keep it your words, your letters together. Don't separate them. Don't space them. And then you create. You save it. You save it just like this. All right, it's saved. So you can start editing it. You edit. You say, put in your title, whatever you want to say. I'm just going to Clickbank products. Excuse me. Then you can edit that, put a style on it. You want to change your colors of the text, you can do that. And you can delete whatever you don't want. And right here is where you want to put your Clickbank uh, product. Right here, you can select the form, select to capture your subscribers, your leads. You can put in full name and email, or full name, email, and phone number, and save it. But we didn't put the link in, so go back, just hover your mouse over it, edit the contact, and put your link right there. That's your hop link, and save it. Okay, we're going to save that form. Don't forget to select your form, what you're going to use, and save it. See right there? And you can put a background on it. Pick a background image here. Let's say business women here, business office or whatever. And we could select this one right here. You can select any one you want. And this right here show how it's going to look on your cell phone or people's cell phone once you send them your link. So that's the background. We're going to go down here and save it. Okay, we have saved it. Then we have already put the link in there. So we're going to go over here and view it in Conversion Pros. We're going to go to Page Builder. And your page is going to be here where you can edit it anytime you get ready. We're going to get the link. Get the link. We're going to preview it. Excuse me. So there's the page right there. So when people put their name and email address in there, and then put their phone number in there, they're going to say, take me to the free tool. You can, again, you can revise all this to what you want to say. Take it to the free tool. So there it is right there. That's your Clickbank uh, affiliated link showing them what you're advertising. And that's it. That's it. That's the way you promote Clickbank, your Clickbank products. Join up with Conversion Pros. I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this video where it can show you how to advertise your Clickbank products. No, it's going to show you how to join the Conversion Pro. So I've already showed you how to advertise your Clickbank products. Just go in there and just kind of have fun with it, kind of play around with it, and you don't have to save it until you get ready when you start editing it. All right, I think that's it. I'm gonna take you back to my page, Conversion Pro. We're gonna go to Page Builder. I'm going to take you back to the page where I'm promoting, and that's it. That's it. It's not that one. That's not the one I want. That's the one that was my example advertising page. This is it right here. Advertise Clickbank affiliated products. So put your information in there, and it's gonna take you to joining up with the Conversion Pros. Then open up your Clickbank account and start the work. It's simple as that. All right, you all have a wonderful day or night. I am the Elder Marlon Carter. out of Dallas, Texas, gospel preacher, entrepreneur second. All right. Bye bye.